I'm feeling a little groggy this morning because I have been napping, and so has Leah.
I'm so tired.
We are so sleepy, but the crew has just anchored the boat and we are on a quest to look for mantas this morning. These are our two lovely cabinmates from South Africa. Hello. Hi. We're just all getting ready in our tiny little accommodations. It's not the easiest thing to do, but we make it work. Here's Captain Mohammed.
Halo cantik. Selamat pagi, morning. You know go look manta?
I do.
Okay.
I'm getting ready. I'm getting ready.
Slowly, slowly.
Slowly, slowly.
Yes.
Jalan, jalan.
Yeah, pelan pelan.
Alright, the crew's all here. We are on the search for mantas, so fingers crossed. Finished our little dive session. I saw one manta, which was pretty cool. I jumped in, it swam right at me. And then this second area we went to called Black Rock, because of these black rocks, was really pretty, but the current was crazy strong, almost just like a river, so we just kind of drifted down. And we saw so many cute little moon jellies, which were really entertaining. How was it? Bagus?
Bagus. Jellyfish a little.
Just got back to the boat. We are moving again, going to another spot, which is about an hour and a half away, to do some more snorkeling. In the meantime, I'm just waiting for my turn to rinse off my GoPro and my hair and to get kind of freshened up and comfortable, because it's a little bit of a boat ride, and then we're gonna hop right back into the water. So this is the bathroom situation. Obviously very simple and minimalistic. We've got a toilet and a shower. This is the flushing system for the toilet. So it has taken some time to get used to having this as the bathroom, but by this point I am used to it. So I'm just going to rinse off really quick. So I'm currently just chilling with my book, reading The Witcher, and it's looking like it's gonna rain any second. This is basically what I like to do when we go in between islands, just chill and read or play games or take a nap, but it's really, really relaxing. It started pouring rain, so Leah and I are kind of hiding in our cabin. Look at this. It's just a torrential downpour. I'm just editing and importing footage, and after that I'm just gonna read here on my bed. The sunset is absolutely popping right now. It's so pretty. Leah, look. Oh my god, how have we just like not noticed this the whole time? Wait. Oh my god. You should have told us. Wait, this is so nice. This is so nice. Let me go up here. Let's see what it looks like from the top deck. Are you kidding me? Just look at where I am right now. I'm so mind blown. It's a really peaceful, beautiful evening, and I'm feeling so blessed and lucky right now. Wow. Just to be in this place is so inspirational. It's dinner time. We're having a fish barbecue, freshly caught. So delicious. Do you guys see how much I'm sweating right now? I feel like I just was in a hot yoga class. And this was hands down the sketchiest hike I've ever been on. Oh my gosh. So it is the next day. It is yet another stormy, rainy morning, but we actually just had the most incredible snorkel dive experience I think I've ever had. I've never seen so many fish congregate in one area. And we've also just arrived at a new destination. We are gonna go dive that jetty over here, and hopefully we'll see a lot more fish. They were saying that this spot is even better than the last spot, which, if that's true, we'll have to see, because that last spot was so incredibly beautiful. So I'm gonna wait a little bit because I just showered and I'm all fresh, but hopefully the sun will come out. But yeah, I'm really excited to experience this spot because apparently it's one of the best in Raja Ampat. This place has to be the most beautiful place I have ever snorkeled. I've never seen so many fish and such healthy reef before. It was so much fun just to see everything and point it out, because everywhere you looked were humongous schools of fish. So it was incredible. They definitely saved the best for last, and this is probably as good as it gets on this planet. So very grateful that I got to experience it and very stoked on this dive. So as this trip comes to an end, I wanted to share with you guys some final thoughts about my Raja Ampat experience. So obviously the best way to experience Raja Ampat is by boat, and depending on your budget, you can stay in a very bare minimum local liveaboard like the one I'm currently staying on, or you can splurge and stay in a more luxurious vessel with your own personal cabins and bathrooms. The benefits of staying on a very minimal boat like this one is that you get to experience Raja Ampat in a very affordable and budget-friendly way, and are down for an adventure, this is a great way to get to see one of the most beautiful places on this planet. The downside in staying in a place like this is that it's pretty much like a floating hostel, so you don't really have that much personal space. There's 3 cabins on this particular boat with 4 bunk beds and 4 people per cabin, so there's really not that much room if all 4 people are in there at once. It kind of only works if there's 1 or 2 people in there at a time. To be honest, I haven't had a good night's sleep on this boat because it was either too hot with no airflow or I'd get attacked by bugs. For someone who's not used to staying in accommodations like that, it can be a bit jarring and a little hard to get used to. And then also the bathrooms on this boat are very, very basic. There's 2 tiny bathrooms. There is a toilet and a shower in each one. The toilet does not flush, so you actually have to scoop out water to flush it after you go, and there's no sink, so I have had to get a little creative with how I brush my teeth. I basically take a water bottle with fresh water, brush my teeth over the toilet, and rinse like that. So I've made it work, but yeah, just things like that. It is a little bit uncomfortable, especially for an 8-day journey. So aside from those things, this trip has been so much fun and so beautiful. If you do have the money, I would personally recommend splurging on a more luxurious option to be a little bit more comfortable. This is such a once-in-a-lifetime kind of place. I honestly think that it's completely worth it. So after 8 days, my Raja Ampat trip is all finished. It was an incredible experience. Hands down the most beautiful place I think I have ever been in my life. I was so impressed by the marine biodiversity and how healthy the coral reefs were. It was such a treat to be able to experience that for myself and to swim and have so much to see. So for me, this is probably #1 in the world. If you can think of any location that could potentially even rival to Raja Ampat, comment down below and let me know. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all in the next video.